Hi guys, in this short video I want to introduce you the ballast unit of Mazda6 GG GY models, production years from 2002 till 2008. If you have a low beam failure and if you check your headlight and you find out that your ballast unit is faulty, you have to replace this part which is located underneath the headlight. Here you can see the ballast place. And if you already know that the exact faulty part is your ballast unit, then you have to replace this part with a part number 1307 329 086. This is Litronic 4.1D version of the automotive lighting xenon ballasts. These ballasts are very common. You can find them also at other makes and models, just like BMW E46 models or Mercedes W203 models, and you can source it from there. Thanks for watching guys, all the best, bye for now.